idea for somebody else to fill the role of Michelle. Donald Trump. And in this episode of the Tanner Family Helps Donald.
So good morning from the suburbs. I just got a text from my neighbor that lives right here. He's like, oh, I forgot to, let me turn and get the sun on my face. He goes, I forgot to get my trash, so I put it in your can. Well, he neglected to look in there because my trash was empty 25 minutes ago. So there should be just one bag in here. Oh, nope, he didn't do it. Say hi there, buddy.
Hi.
Show them what you got. What you got? Brooklyn is bringing her Snow White bear to school. You love me too? Alright, cool. Let me see the bear.
Bear wouldn't touch it.
Okay. Oh, got it, bear. Good job. You ready to go?
Uh-huh.
Let's go. Oh boy. Oh yes. Yep, Monster Jam's here. Those trucks are so cool, man. I'll tell you, if you guys go to Monster Jam, bring ear protection, because those things are super loud. Hey guys, so good news. Ken Thomas over there told me that he made a YouTube channel. So I asked him, like, what's the name of it? He goes, it's Cat Videos, and he always does everything with a K. I go, that's like the worst YouTube channel you could ever have. Because I went and put KAT videos in, and of course on YouTube, the king of kitty cats, this is what shows up. Meow, 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 meow. Let's go down. Maybe he's down here at the bottom. Oh, no, there's a dog in there. No, that's not him. No, no. Oh, here it is. This might be it. That looks like it could be yours. Let's see.
It's me and the monster truck.
Nope, that's not you. It's a lady drawing her face as a cat. No. Let's see. Playing with fire on YouTube with cats. I'm sorry.
This would absolutely work on a baby announcement. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think it would be great. Is there a time stamp on it or no? When's that baby due?
May 17th. Baby will be here May 17th.
Let's just make a fake one then. We had a baby. By the way, I did something today, this morning. It's called a vlog. It's a rat. Ooh, I like animals. What is that? Is that chinchilla, chipmunk? What is that?
I think it's a chinchilla. It's very soft, like a chinchilla fur. This is a dinosaur, baby dinosaur. A viewer. This is the wonderful thing about the viewers. They know what I'm into. A viewer sent me this, actually.
Nice.
Jim the Dino, if you've seen him on social media, Jim the Dino sent me my little own baby dino, calls him Baby Lew.
Thanks, Joe.
Yeah, rock on.
I got a question for you, Lindsay. If they're bringing a big Batco out to this guy's front yard, if you're like killing people, isn't it burying in the front yard like rule 101? You don't ever do that.
Hey, Raj.
I don't know what the rules of killing somebody.
Yeah, I don't know either. I don't know how disposal of bodies is not my expertise either.
I mean, yeah.
Do you bury him in the front yard? I don't know.
I don't think that's. I think that seems like a very safe way to get caught.
Unless you have a big fence and a lot of trees, I could see you burying him in the front yard.
No.
Yeah,
I'm sure. Doesn't the grass grow differently?
Grass grows differently. See, this is why I give him Lindsay. Directions to 3604 Bowden Circle, Jacksonville, Florida.
Really nice together. I couldn't even find my damn boots on there.
Oh, really? The cops are leaving. This guy's house right here is the house where they thought, where they found some bones in the backyard. Live shot time. Whoops. So I don't know if Roger sold enough, but it is 12:04. Let's see if anybody shows up. Let's see how long it takes. Roger's doing a video-licious. Good writing there, buddy. Remember kids, red on positive, black on negative. There you go. Set it right here. Okay, got it plugged in. It goes like this. Through the window. In your car. So we thought we'd pop some interest, get from the other stations. No one showed up, so I was completely wrong. Woody 0, the world 1. This leftover of a bird taking a crap on my camera. They didn't even feel like there's a lot of birds out here. Hit my car too though. Me and Roger wrapping up a long day at the Tillman's house. That's that guy's name?
Tillis.
Tillis. So we're talking about this Apple iPhone, like they want
Encryption.
the FBI wants the Apple to crack it. I'm with Apple though. I'd stick to my guns on that. I wouldn't crack it. But I'm not sure which code you're talking about. Roger and I want to know if it's just a 4-digit code, which is, we looked it up, it's about 10,000 combinations to get in.
It's got to be more.
And that might not be right. Don't kid yourself, man. It's me and Roger. We're not math geniuses by far.
No, we're low tech on the big tech scale.
Yeah, but I agree. I mean, do you tell me they don't have a guy at the NSA or some of these government if they can't break into that thing? Come on, man. They got to have a guy that has or a hacker group or something. The FBI has to have resources to get that done.
Oh, yeah. They probably have someone in the slammer that could probably do it.
Right. Exactly.
Cut him a break.
Exactly. I thought maybe they should have just used the guy's finger after he passed away, but that's a little morbid. I stick with your policy, Apple. I agree. Don't let them in. Somebody does not like riding in the car in the dark. And she cried the whole way home. Oh, and she's tired. So you know what? I'm tired too. We're gonna call tonight. I will catch you all sooner than later. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Peace out. That wasn't the best piece, but hey. Hey, I do a vlog. Make sure you watch.
I watch every time.